All right, we've got the moose problem. We're going to find maximum. Maximum means highest. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the picture. I'm going to see if I could find the highest point in the picture. And when I say the picture, I literally mean just this purple line here. I'm not a line, but like, because it's not just a line, it's a bunch of lines, right? So the maximum, the highest point here is right here. And I want to know the height. So it's not -5. -5 is how many seconds it hit this height. I don't care when it hit this height. I want to know what height it is. And the height right here is 3. So the highest height is 3. Not -5. Not -5, comma 3. We're not looking for the time. I just want the actual height, which is off of the y-axis. Okay, and now this question too. It always comes back to the same idea. -2 is the input. I'm going to put -2 into machine F, but how I put 2 into machine F is different from a graph, from an equation, from a chart. So how do I put this into machine F? I go to where the x-axis is 2. So that's this one here. When I hit 2, I'm going to stop. And I'm going to find the exact point on the purple part here. So that point right there, that's the point I need. All right, now if I write the address of that point as an ordered pair, 2, 1, then one of these is x's and one of these is y's. It's alphabetical, but one of these is also the input and the other one's the output. So what this is saying is when you put 2 into this purple machine, that 1 comes out. And that's what this question is. It's saying when you put 2 into machine F, what comes out? Well, what comes out is 1. So the answer for that is just 1. All right. Now, if I asked you something like this, find x if f of x was -1, look at where the number is. Number is in the parenthesis, number is not in the parenthesis. So this is asking you a very similar question, but it's not the same question. If I were giving you this problem, I wouldn't be looking for -1 on the x-axis. I would be looking for -1 on the y-axis. So I'd be looking for a dot where the output is -1. So if I go to -1 on the y and I find a dot, it's right there. So this dot right there, that's got an address of -2, -1. And what this would be saying is what has to go into machine F so that -1 comes out. And here it says -2 has to go in to get -1. So here the answer would be x equals -2. So -2 here, +1 here, because again, input, output, 1. Here, output, you start this one, and then you end up at the x-axis. All right, hope that helps.